got free ice cream in the esports cafe.
Pull harder.
This is very bad for me. Oh no. I got too much ice cream.
Dude, you have diarrhea.
Free. And then you pour it here because it's a free drink. You want it? Do you want it?
Dude, why would you pour it straight?
I thought
It's free. Come on, power. There you go.
There we win. We got it. We got it. We got it. That's Granbury Park. Shopping time. Please come out. Oh, you look nice. I like the colors. You look good. Because your skin is pale, so colors, it makes the colors pop. Got it!
Yes! Yeah! Yes!
Hey, what the fuck? Choose the toilet!
No!
Hello?
Yeah. You're alone. Ah! Wow, it instantly killed you. Alright. Nice job.
You did all the work. Meat market for your dog. Diarrhea. So in Japan,
This is shaka shaka potato.
yeah, different name, and also it's Hawaiian barbecue flavor.
And
You
it-
tried the fries on its own.
And in Japan, the McDonald's looks like this.
That's weird.
It's a white man on a McDonald's farm.
And I tried the fries and it's pretty bland, but hopefully the shake will make it more palatable. So
And the Camille has a diarrhea.
Dude, food tastes better. It's supposed to taste better when you're in diarrhea.
Does it?
Yeah, because I haven't eaten it in 2 days. Even the takoyaki tasted decent.
That was decent.
I hate takoyaki. Alright, stop. I'm gonna kick you out.
I'm like some sort of like a
Yeah,
master
jack
of
off.
Shake Shake.
Master of checkoff.
Damn, it smells crazy. It smells like top meatball.
How does it taste?
Tastes terrible. What the fuck? Dude, that tastes like absolute ass here. Dude, I don't even want it anymore. Dude, Hong Kong is 10 times better.
One more. It tastes like barbecue. Like, it tastes like Western barbecue.
It's not salty enough.
That's the secret to why Japanese people are thin. Because
Camille is a fat.
their fast food tastes so bad.
Dude, Filipino fast food is really good, right?
Yeah, it's good. It's like one of the best. If you go to the Philippines, you have to eat fast food. It's
Yeah.
really good.
Come on. Bench. Oh my god. Yes!
It doesn't even fit.
What?
It doesn't even fit. My big head.
There you go. That's too big.
Alright, we found this paper gacha machine. Let's see which one we got.
It's tape.
It's a creeper!
That's perfect.
Yeah. Oh, there's batteries. Put it on. And you have a new...
Right.
You got it! Yay!
Nice.
Thank you. Johnny, he's finally gonna hold a vacuum cleaner for the first time in his life.
Huh? Yeah, you gotta press. Sucker.
Fuck your ass. Do you think?